Isn't this backyard amazing? It's perfect for relaxing and entertaining. Hi, I'm Cindy Morrison from Chenoweth & Cohen. I'm going to show you one of the most stunning homes in all of Tulsa. This amazing home is located in the exclusive gated community of Hunters Pointe in the Jinx school system. From the moment you see this home on its pie-shaped lot, it's eye-catching. Built by Doug Walker as a custom home, no detail has been overlooked. When you walk in, it's pure elegance. This open concept living room and dining room is a showstopper. I love these chandeliers. So much lighting, and look at all of the windows. The den and kitchen are cozy with a wine coffee bar and a big pantry. Also downstairs is an office with a fireplace and bathroom. There are 3 bedrooms with 4 full baths and 2 half baths. The master is downstairs, and look at this curved custom crown molding. That's rare to see. Not only do you have a huge closet, but you also have a dressing area and a big master bath with a TV in the mirror. There are 2 sets of stairs. One is for the 2 bedrooms and bathrooms upstairs. The other set of stairs leads to a game room with a bar area and plenty of storage. The house is built around the pool, so you can see it from almost every room. The jacuzzi runs over a waterfall into the pool. By the way, this is a smart saltwater pool that's self-cleaning. There's also an outdoor kitchen, and this is a great fireplace that makes this area perfect all year around. Can't you imagine just hanging out here? It's such a beautiful home inside and out. If you're interested, give me a call. Again, it's Cindy Morrison at Chenoweth & Cohen, 918-760-5751.